Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. So let's analyze Nifty first. Nifty future itself has opened somewhere around 25,069 levels, and the close itself is around 24,815 levels with a high-low range of 260 points. When it comes to percentage change from yesterday's close to today's close, it's somewhere around 0.8%, and the first 1 hour itself is 205 points, which is quite high compared to how Nifty moves daily. The opening type of first 30 minutes is open drive, and the whole day itself is normal variation day with a high IB. Now back when it comes to Bank Nifty, the opening is around 52,100. The closing price itself is 51,470. The high to low range is 845 points, and the percentage change itself is minus 99%. And the first 1 hour itself is 640 points. If you look at Bank Nifty also, the first 1 hour is quite high range. Opening type itself is open test drive, and day type we call it as a normal variation day with a high IB. Generally normal variation days are seen by with low IB or medium IB, but today the IB itself is very high, and most of the time Nifty and Bank Nifty both have spent below the first 1 hour. So that speaks about the directional traders trying to push the Nifty and Bank Nifty outside. Same thing has happened with Bank Nifty too. So now coming to open itself in Nifty is inside value area, but then there was an open drive immediately. Initiative sellers took control and they closed the prices below the value area on the range of yesterday, indicating there could be some kind of directional move downside. Yesterday I was pointing about the poor low at 24,880 levels, which got cleared in the first 1 hour itself, but then I was also pointing out 24,800 is the last line of defense for buyers. So if you look at today, 24,815 is the low and got rejected around that point. So for tomorrow, what you should be looking is the whole seller accumulation itself has happened below the value area of last Monday 7th and today first 1 hour low. So that indicates that majority of the traders have positioned at the lower levels. So you need to carefully watch for 24,780 to 800 levels. So today's low itself is a poor low. There is a good possibility of revisiting. So till Nifty is below 25,020 levels on 30 minutes, it's a sell on rise. Strong selling will come in because there is a strong selling tail, but there is also a possibility that tomorrow, unless the prices doesn't sustain below 24,780 to 24,800 levels, it's going to be either a sideways market within today's range, or there could be a total reversal, because Nifty itself is at the previous low. So around these previous lows you need to be very careful. So if Nifty sustains below 24,780 levels, there is a good possibility we might see a heavy down move. In the month of August, we have a strong down move. Those sellers will try to take control. That area is very crucial. On 30 minutes or 1 hour prices closes below that, there is a good possibility further down move might be there. So we might even see 24,150 levels is what I am expecting, which is a weak low which has formed in the month of August. This is with Nifty, guys. Coming to Bank Nifty, if you have gone through my yesterday's video, I was pointing out there is a good possibility of 51,800 is very good possibility, and the low itself is a mechanical reference which I was pointing out. Both got tested, and the opening itself is inside the value area, but there was an open test drive. So Bank Nifty got accepted inside 11th value area. There was a down move all the way towards the mechanical reference, and ideally for tomorrow what you should be looking is that there is a good possibility this low also might get tested, but remember, this is where strong buyers are coming in. You need to be careful around these points. So for now it's a sell on raise. As the prices goes up, the sellers whoever are there around the selling tail, they will again hammer Bank Nifty down again. So it's going to be either sideways market tomorrow, or there will be a strong downtrend all the way down to 50,843, and further down move is also very much possible. once Bank Nifty sustains below 50,700, we might even see further down move. And this is the area where multiple times buyers have come in, somewhere around 50,260 levels. There was a strong buying till buyers might even test this 50,670 levels, but it's better to be careful around where previous buyers have come. We can't really exactly point out where they will enter, so you need to be very careful around these points. And around 49,800 levels, this is the area where multiple attempts were there, buyers came in continuously, so watch for this level. If sellers took control below, let's say 49,500 to 49,300 levels, then we might even see further downfall. The election results day fall was almost 3,000-4,000 points, so we might even see down to 46,800 levels. As of now, the previous low, which is at 50,770, it has not broken, so it is better to be careful instead of trying to catch these bottoms. So as of now, for longs, Bank Nifty looks a bit of risky. The reason is because of this selling tail. If Bank Nifty gets accepted above 51,900, there is a possibility with the multiple pullbacks, it might go up to 52,247, but it is still risky. So possibly, let's hope Bank Nifty goes for 50,840 levels. And if you are looking for live market updates, you can join my Telegram channel, which I am attaching in the description. Or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can go through the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys.